forgiving when we wrong you. Always there to encourage us when it gets tough. Dear God, thank you from the bottom of my heart. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Kairitu gaitå haha getagwo Abigail na nä kairitu kega na nä kairitu ga kĩrathimo. Karibu sana katoto ketu, tusikie vile katasema. Wapi duri ya katoto ketu? Asante.
My name is Abigail and I have a poem. All alone, tears rolling down the cheeks with hopeless life. No food to eat, no clothes to wear, no friends, no nothing. Others being beaten daily by anyone who wants to get rid of their stress. Voices of pain, sickness and sadness are all in mind of innocent children. God, thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for Mama, a very precious gem with a golden heart. Madam Nungari. She has the true beauty, warm and kind. You became a mother to many. Who became a mother to many children who have been suffering and abandoned, regardless of tribe, for it's a Kenyan child suffering. Mama, you became a mother and a comfort to cry on. God connected you with these innocent children who heal and rescue their broken hearts and lives, assuring them that their tomorrow will be greater. One day, Mama, they will come back being great men and women in the nation and the world. May your baskets never lack enough to feed and educate their broken hearts and lives. Kenyans, it's time to rescue a suffering child. Do something and bring healing to mankind. God bless you, Mama. God bless you, Man Nyari and the team. God bless you, Kenya. Remember, dear God, you are the Lord of all, greatest and kindest of all. Dear God, breathing your air from January to December, day and night, 24/7. Dear God, thank you from the bottom of my heart. Dear God, the creator of the universe, you surround us with your blessings, a true friend who shower us with miracles. So gentle and forgiving when we wrong you, always there to encourage us when it gets tough. Dear God, thank you from the bottom of my heart. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Asante. Kogerera irohero Ruiru. Sikiria. Nejoi, thank you. Tika komaka. Mheshimiwa anajira ona ndamoi. No uri andu marumagirira mundu. Eki utigete yo kenene. Reka imato mahurire karuhi kangi kega. na Ngai amatware kũraihu githĩ tiguo na mwana ũcio nĩ agũthiĩ kũraihu ũkaha kijana ĩno rĩ kijana ĩno yũkire gũkũ thaa 4 thaa cigana thaa 4 na rĩu rĩ ona gũtarĩ mathaa rĩ ĩti ũru gũtĩĩra mũndũ maũthĩ ĩtuaga tũmũhe kanya tunire rwĩmbo kwaca rĩina karwĩmbo kega kanĩtwo ngoma cia mũciĩ ĩno ũcio ũngĩ ngoma cia mũciĩ uga cicindwe kwende Geithia andũ aya mugeithikei wega hei jana ĩno hinya ta mageithia rĩngĩ
amata makorjita burayo kei ade mono kuna jese modan
amen
tatigena mamita de America mi
oi
na hauna por rumeta botia geria na ko
oi
kaya me adu
ugai mwathani amuhe hinya akegwarĩrĩrie ũgũthiĩ harĩa YouTube retiguoi ũgũthiĩ harĩa YouTube o search burayo K ithe tiguo rwĩmbo rwandĩkĩtwo ngoma cia mĩciĩ o search burayo K o subscribe no watch ũtige no wona rwĩmbo rũu ruothe na nĩ rwathira githĩ tiguoi kahorera irohĩ wega nĩ njana njega ũcoke ũgere harĩa he mũheshimiwa ũkaburayo thi harĩa ũrĩa nĩ mũheshimiwa kabogo wamwona aboroga meguonie we nitira haha etige kugamba oyo we mwico oyo no muheshimiwa kabogo akuhe 2,000 oyo nake nĩ baba yao akuhe 2,000 oyo nake no watu kazi aria matwendagiria migunda no anyita atiko pambigwa top care sorry woi oria nake no top care na igaga iguru ni kuruge akuhe 1,000 no yukia 5,000 na uria kwenda gu support huwa gu support thie kahora Man Nyari no horo ucio ni akahora rwĩmbo rũ radio-inĩ wethi woye bia ta ikũrũka harĩa ndakwĩra thi woye bia icio kũrai hecimu itũrũhĩrwo magĩthi na kũmũthamaki ũmoya 1,000 hai mwanake ũcio kĩndũ nĩgetha maũndũ magĩre asanti sana ni muheshimiwa waitu tunia munegera baba yao ucio nake muheshimiwa kabogo wake munegera wow kwasa munegera ithano edi hawo kireha utana di hatop ke yako smart ne yana gikenge hau ko smart mwanake ucio igwe wega ni sawa ni shughulikira maundu mau nigetha hagirire asanti sana ndenda gucokia Man Nyari original haho